Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we on guys vibrate mode in our Samsung phone. In this video friends, we will talk about guys sound and vibration settings Samsung mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on your vibrate mode. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see sound and vibration setting. Friends, tap here. Friends, you can see guys your sound and vibration setting here. So as you can see your vibrate mode setting, friends, tap here to on your vibrate mode. Friends, your vibrate mode will on, and guys you can see this icon on your screen. So as your phone will vibrate. So like that guys, you want to on your vibrate mode in your Samsung phone, so then you can on it. So guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Friends, you have any doubt related to guys your sound and vibration setting in your Samsung mobile, you can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye bye friends.